on-page search engine optimization means you pay attention to the elements on your web page that help you to list high in the search engine rankings for the keyword phrases, the search terms you're interested in listing high for. Now, just as an example, now this term is obviously going to be a popular term, so there's a lot of competition. So at Google here, let's type in how to play poker. And as you can see, over 9 million results. So that would obviously be a very hard market to crack. But these pages which are listing high, which are listing in the top 10 for that search term, they would have paid attention to, basically they would want to list high in the search engines for the terms they're interested in. They would want good relevant links into their site, and also they would want to have their pages optimized for the search engines for certain terms. And optimizing pages for search terms you're interested in, really it's something you should pay attention to if you're interested in getting any search engine traffic at all. And also just whenever you're designing websites, if you bear the on-page optimization tactics in mind, it will obviously help you get more traffic naturally through the search engines. And one point to bear in mind with on-page search engine optimization is it's very beneficial if you'll find it a lot easier if you're familiar with HTML, because a lot of it does involve dealing directly with the code rather than doing everything through a graphical HTML editor like FrontPage or Dreamweaver. So if you're not familiar with HTML, I would recommend just spending some time or getting used to it, learning about it. And a good way to start, of course, is just go to Google and type in HTML tutorial. And in case you're not familiar with HTML, that's the language that makes up web pages. So everything you do regarding web pages is generally done in HTML. But with a graphical interface like FrontPage or Dreamweaver, you're often protected from the code itself, and you just see the finished product. So if we search for that, you'll find a lot of results, as you can see. So just to reiterate, for high search engine rankings, you want good links in, and you also want to spend time on the on-page optimization factors. Both of those elements together will help you rank high in the search engines for the keywords, for the search terms you're interested in. And for spending time with on-page search engine optimization, familiarity with HTML, with the code that makes up web pages, you'll find it very, very beneficial, and it will make the whole process, the whole optimization process, easier.